Hello viewers, welcome once again. In this B.Ed course 107, Pedagogy of School Subject English, we are about to learn what are the different techniques of teaching. And there is one technique known as dramatization. This is the technique. Dramatization is play acting of the story. After having listened to it, student can act out the various scenes and situations. Means as a teacher, whenever you about to teach particular topic to your students, you have to always arrange such type of technique in your classroom so that student will present particular content by using technique of dramatization, or you have to introduce this type of technique in your classroom. Then in this technique, what requires? First one, for initial preparation, as a teacher you need to select proper unit. You have to write specific dialogues according to the unit. You have to arrange for particular characters, then costumes and stage material. Means as a teacher you have to keep in mind the initial preparation. After that, classroom procedure. You have to introduce particular story, the characters of the story, and before presenting particular drama before the student, you will have to mention special incident where you have to give proper attention, so that you need to instruct your students in what way they have to deliver dialogue. Somewhere in the dramatization there will be narration. While narrating particular thing, student will definitely get attracted towards the character or the teacher. In drama or dramatization, there is need of proper pronunciation. Pronunciation means in what way particular character wants to convey particular message. You can add singing, then movements, your gestures and your expressions. Means when you are there to teach particular content, the specific items related to dramatization should be followed clearly, and let the act out of the play. After the play, discuss the plot, character, lesson learnt. Means this is kind of classroom procedure. And after this one, there is evaluation. Means narration or recalling by asking questions about character, the plot, why and how, etc. Means as a teacher you have selected particular topic for dramatization. Then you have for initial preparation collected all the costumes, stage material, then writing dialogues, and after that, after the presentation, you need to ask questions to the student about their characters, the nature of the characters, how the incident takes place, and why such type of incidents happen. Means such type of technique is very useful technique, so that student will get more attracted towards teacher as well as teaching learning situations. Then let's see some merits of this dramatization technique. First merit is that the ear training as student listen to the continuous English speech. Means as far as student of Marathi medium is concerned, they will have the ear training, means speaking or continuous English speech by the characters. And after this one, there will be the definitely inclusion of communicative approach. Means this will be our intention that student have to better in communication skill. And another merit of this technique is that it is entertaining and interesting one for the students. Somewhere apart from teaching, teacher has to use such type of techniques because sometimes students don't like a regular type of teaching, that is lecture way or teacher centered teaching, so that such type of techniques are always useful. And by using this type of technique, it creates that type of English atmosphere. Student can develop their speaking and listening skill. It develops role play abilities. Student can get a chance to play such type of part, or they will lead the character. Then because of this technique, social skills are developed. Students like to come together, they like to interact themselves, and definitely they like to become the part of particular team. And after that, it also develops how to present drama on specific subject or on given situation. This type of technique is also enhance the creativity, then expression, then recitation, pronunciation, intonation pattern, then how to throw voice, then imagination of the student, how will they act out of the particular instance. And along with it, it helps to build their confidence, and it definitely remove the phobia or that kind of stage fright. And it is always student centric, and students are always active participant in this one. If there are merits, then there are some limitations also. It requires preparation on time and efforts, not much scope for drilling work. It cannot be used for intensive learning of the lesson. Somewhere, as per the contents of the particular book for specific level, this technique will never complete the prescribed syllabus, or somewhere as a teacher you have to use it as a part of your teaching methodologies. Thank you very much.